Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the error address unreachable in Google Chrome. So remember guys, doing would be if you are using a VPN or proxy server, I recommend to turn it off, and if the problem solved, let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type VPN settings, open it. You want to turn off this VPN guys, both of this, and close out of here and go to search menu and type cmd. Run as administrator. Click yes. Now here you want to type here guys ipconfig space slash flush flash dns flash dns. Press enter. Successfully flashed the dns resolver cache. You want to type here netsh space winsock space reset. Press enter. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here. Go ahead and restart your PC guys. And if you getting solved by doing this, if you not get solved, try this as well guys. Go to Google, three dot icon, click on it and go to more tools. Go to clear browsing data. You want to enable this all, and you want to click here last hour. You want to change it to all time and clear data. Click on it. That's it guys. Hopefully the problem's resolved. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely help for you guys. Thank you so much.